Hi guys, so today we are going to play the Plugo game. So we have Plugo letters game. This is just the Plugo letters and it's like this. We have to play like this. So let's open. So we get two boxes and one note. We don't need this note because we already know this. But if guys have this note and they don't know, then they have to do it this. These are games we have. I'm going to open first the letters box. There's a Plugo treasure. Actually, it's not a treasure, it's the letter box. We open it like this. Then we have to take a letter and keep it on these. So let me keep this there. And now, let's open the gamepad. This is how the gamepad looks. And then you have to keep it. Then you see 1, 2, 3, 4. This letterbox which I said earlier, you have to join it like this. And when you're done, you have to keep an iPad or a tab there. Tab or mini iPad. I have a tab. My dad is going to pause the video, so I'm just coming with my tab. Guys, so this is my tab. I have many games, 1, 2, 3. These are games, not this one. This is games, and we are going to go in this yellow game. So now we are going to play this letter words with.
Unfold the gamepad on a flat surface. Place your device leftmost with the camera on left. Place the chunk on the magnetic spots of the play area.
Magnetic one. So now, which game do you want to play? How about Agent Who?
Who's this? A detective we hear.
This is a detective game.
Never fear.
Now I can enjoy this game, and bye bye for this video.